Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mad Investor. So today we're kind of diving into the Blastup because I think it's a game changer in crypto launchpad scene. So stick around as we unpack what makes a blast, the talk of the town in the world of the digital currencies. So what's Blastup all about? Blastup isn't your ordinary launchpad. It's a game changer, folks. Using the power of blockchain, Blastup offers a unique platform to fresh crypto projects. You can actually see it here. Launch your Blastup, the fresh kind of project to take off. It's all about the crowdfunding with a twist, adding a dash of community spirit to the mix, making sure everyone gets a fair shot. So what is the secret sauce? Blastup got a strict project kind of selection process. Only the cream of the crop gets through, reducing the risk of us investors, plus their accelerator program is like a turbo boost for this project, guiding them towards the success. So there is a buzz around that Blastup for a good reason. It's not just another platform, it's kind of like a community. So being a part of Blastup means you're in the action, helping shape of the future of the crypto project, plus it ties with a wider crypto world, mean endless possibilities and easy access to their services. So their magic kind of lies in the support system. So we can see that it's like nurturing ground for young crypto investors, giving them tools and guidance that they need to thrive. And obviously, for us investors, it's open doors to exciting opportunities that we don't want to miss, right? So to wrap it up, Blastup is reshaping how crypto projects launch and grow with innovative approach, focus on quality, community involvement, and obviously platform that's capturing the hearts and wallets of those in crypto space. So as you can see, the Blastup token holders kind of receive a certain allocation of 4 token sales of the project launch on the Launchpad, and by staking your Blastup token, you can earn interest and obtain exclusive loyalty rewards for participating in the IDOs. So they also have different Launchpad tiers. So Blastup will showcase a fixed tier system based on the number of tokens staked. Lower tiers will share 20% of the total raise, and the rest 80% of that raise is assigned for guaranteed allocation tiers based on the pool weight assigned. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tiers which you can kind of participate on. And we can see when it comes to the tokenomics, like the majority went for the reserve, which is 24%, 18% for the team and advisors, 8% for liquidity, 8% for marketing, 10% for staking, 5% for the private round sale, 20% pre-sale, 2% public sale, and 5% of the airdrop and rewards. So we can see with the roadmap, with their Q1, they're kind of launched the platform and the Blastup.io and app Blastup.io. They're building the community, the incentive program, etc. They built that. In the Q2, they're looking into staking program, airdrop, Byswap Bridge, NFT collection. And with Q3 and Q4, the Easy Mint Blastup Shield, incubation program, the screener, community marketplace, and farming liquidity pools. So they're busy, and I think this is pretty cool because you can see they're even planning up to 2026. So if someone's looking to launch your project on Blastup, you can actually do it through here. And I think this is pretty cool for everyone who is, you know, looking for option, because obviously, like, everyone can get a part of that Blast. We can see that currently the Blastup it's available to buy, so buy a Blastup, and we can see that the current kind of price is 0.055 BLP, right? So total USD raise, it's 2.8 million with 58 million tokens sold. So I think that's pretty cool. And at the last, which I think it's kind of also a pretty important one, they're audited by Certic and verified by Assured DeFi. So obviously we can see that they're covered in some of the big articles, but that's the cool thing, because obviously audit by Certic, it's kind of a lately for a must for me if I you know, see a coin and I want to get involved, because I see that, you know, there might be something pretty cool there. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on, and I want to see you in the next video. Take care. Rafael Sibila here, Mad Investor.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures. found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds, unlocking the secrets